Are you a Muslim looking to purchase a home in Minnesota but concerned about taking out a mortgage with interest? So interest-based mortgage go against principles of Islamic finance and can be a barrier for Muslims looking to fulfill their dream of home ownership. So Islamic Bank in America, especially in Minnesota, offer Sharia compliant home financing options that do not involve interest. Instead, the bank and the homeowner enter into a contract agreement where the bank provides the funds to purchase the home and the homeowner gradually pays out the bank's share over time. So if you're a Muslim looking for home financing options that aligns with your faith, consider reaching out to Islamic Bank in your area and to learn more about their Sharia compliant home financing options. And also, you can reach out to me if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate. You reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my live on TikTok Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time. Till next time, peace.